Hey guys. Hey guys. Welcome back. We're at the Celadon gym now. I leveled up Ducks to level 31, so now he don't listen anymore. And I thought it would just be easier if we do this before taking on Team Rocket, just in case I need that third person. And I realized too, I need to get the flute in order to get to that bridge. I might be looking at it wrong, but I'm pretty sure I need the Poke Flute in order to even... No, you know what? Maybe I can make it to Fuchsia and go up the long way. I just am unsure where that house is because I don't know how I'm gonna get through the ghost section without that Psyduck. Like, I need him really bad. So... Oh, no, I don't want to send him in. Okay. Yes. Drill Peck is a great move. I just like to hit everybody, since it is so, since, as you saw, how I can speed it up like that, just to get the extra EXP. So Gwen's at 37, Dux is at 31, and Coco, as you saw, is now at 34. Great. Okay, let's face Erica. This one's obviously going to be easy, so I don't feel the need to go terribly slow, like how I kind of did with Lieutenant Surge. I guess I didn't really, though. Yeah. Great! Sprite Erica. Pokemon up to level 50. Did I skip level 40, or is Farfetch'd just an asshole? It could be both. Okay. Great. Let's go take on Team Rocket. Hey guys, so I just had a thought. I think I'm gonna try and get Doduo and Psyduck really quick while I'm here, because you know what? Oh no, wait, I still need... Nope, wrong button. There's still a fucking Snorlax right there. How'd you get it? Good effort. Thanks, man. I was thinking, because I have the bicycle, so, like, I won't have to worry about the bike trail, but I don't... Let me see if once I get into Fuchsia... No, not Fuchsia. And, yes, I am going to teach all the birds fly. It is a good move. So let's see. Sand attack has been super helpful. I think I'm just gonna have to go with Gust. Let's see. Leer hasn't done me any good. And I think for now I'm just gonna let him have, Oh, there is no way to get to... I can almost... Yeah. I thought for some reason... Okay. Whoops. Never. Sorry about that. Hit the escape button. Okay. Yeah, let's go after Team Rocket. Can I get Doduo over here? I don't think you can get it until you're on the bike path. Or in... Oh, you know where you get it? You get her, not... I know where it is. Right when you get off of the bike path, there's that little patch of grass. Okay guys, here we are about to face Giovanni. Duck's fainted, but I didn't really feel like running back out to the Pokemon Center again. So we're going in this with just Gwen and Coco. Hopeful for the best. We're gonna try and see. I know he uses mostly ground types and the like, so hopefully this won't be too awful. Well, I'm fucked. Oh, but he's level 25. I should be okay. Should be fine, so to speak. Okay. The good thing about Fury Attack is that it's the best. I normally hate it, but in scenarios like this, it makes a huge difference. No, let's just keep going. Yeah. Yay! Now we leveled up and we defeated Giovanni. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, so we managed to beat Giovanni, we gave the guard the drink, and we also beat Erica, so that's pretty great. Ooh, what did he leave me? Let's go. I'm very unsure how this is actually gonna work with the ghosts. So now we, like, thought Lieutenant Surge was bad, now we gotta worry about these ghosts. So I'm gonna level everybody up a little bit in hopes that, because I know I run into Gary again, I just don't even think there's a way for me to get Psyduck. And I'm gonna do a little research and see if there's a TM I can teach anybody that's just a not normal move, just so I can have something to fight. Because the problem won't necessarily be the Pokemon themselves, it's going to be the trainers, the crazy psychics, or whatever the hell they're called. Because they all have Ghastlies and Hunters. So, I'm gonna do some research, and I'll see you guys at Slivco. Be right back. Not Slivco. The Lavender Tower. There we go. Lavender Tower. Be right back. We're at the Lavender Tower, and I did some research, and in Gen 1, what the hell? Sorry, I forgot. Word not mouth good. Flying can affect Ghost, just normal cannot. That is the main kicker. Like there's this cute little chart I found. That would have been very helpful when I was a lot younger. Because now, you know, you just see what works, throw it at the wall, see what sticks. Oh, we're fighting Douche Magoo again. No, we're not gonna try Pokemon. I wonder if Farfetch'd can learn a water type. No, he can't. No, he can't. Can't learn new water moves. Oh my god, this takes so long. I'm sorry, I'm trying to not speed it up for the battles that you guys see, but like... Ugh! Takes so... No, I didn't mean to do that. It takes so long. Whoop. Yeah. Okay. So, for the sake of... Shut up, Glenn. For the sake of this, I'm going to put... Oh, cool. I'm going to move... Going to the top. Just because I know that she has the... Whatchamacallit move. The wing attack. And that should hopefully be good enough to get us through. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let's just test the theory. Okay, cool, it works. We're good. I was startled. I'm so startled. I can't get around this one. Did you guys ever hear of that old folklore that when you're in Lavender Town, like the kids that heard it went crazy and killed themselves? Was that just a creepy... I mean, of course it was just a creepypasta, but like, is that where it started? Or what are the origins of this story? I want to know. Oh, Hunter is so scary in this game. Here we go, facing the ghost. The spooky, scary ghost. We did it, you guys. We saved Mr. Fuji. Yeah, I love my burps. Great. Yay, now we got the Poke Flute. Let's go wake up Snorlax and get that darn Super Rod and catch a Psyduck and a Doduo, and then I'll have my complete team, and then we're just gonna take on the rest of the trainers. Oh, that's right, Saffron City, you gotta do that thing. Well, we'll do that when we get to that. And I'll finally have a different type other than flying. So, that'll be great. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited too. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!